I may not be the illest on the mic, but mommy's thorough. I represent for Christ, y'all go ahead and rep your borough. They done slipped up and let me in your area code to bring hope to these cats in hysteria mode, to shine truth on the lies you're not aware that you're told. The devil's on blast like loud, cause I dare to expose. Like the flow, no wonder I bring it with the thunder. Word to mother, it's the heat coming from the ground under. Started out a young thug, now I'm into pretty things. Spit Christ on the mic about life and gritty things. Who know what gritty means? Street life relevant to the times. Don't front like you blind to death, crime and pain in our rhymes. Man, listen, everybody tripping cause she Christian, but yo, I'm on a mission. Cats gon' always cause division. Got love for the art, spit hope for your heart. Bring unity with cats done tore y'all apart. This is more than a dream for the bling and the cream, but y'all rather see me scheme on my team and blaspheme. You like that? I spit God hard and y'all fight that. If light rap by murdering drugs, y'all hype that. Conclusion, cats bound by optical illusions, and afraid split confusion, you losing for grid.
Plus my people have been deceived by my people.
Light the flow, no wonder some of y'all never heard of me, because I'm not doing mic checks for currency. What worries me is some are not concerned about the urgency. I rhyme about the truth of God and all I get is third degree. He's urging me, keep on rhyming, they need it grungy. Front not, cats know I walked into this hungry. Let's get it on fam, I'm high strung enough to bungee. Got mad love for cats in spite of how you done me. I ain't no punk to the process, this is what I prayed for. Enduring persecution I was tailor-made for. In the school of hard knocks, my tuition's paid for. But for my salvation, Jesus Christ paid way more. If you ain't reaching the lost, then what you save for? Like if you gotta smoke 8 blunts, what you blaze for? Cats say they love my music and my joints is off the hook. Well, Bones and Sword Entertainment should be ringing off the hook. I give my life in these lyrics just to give you cats a look, but the truth is hard to market and that makes me hard to book.
Plus my people have been deceived by my people. Plus my people have been deceived by my people. Deceived by my people. Plus my people have been deceived by my people. Deceived by my people.